girl, are you excited?
Yeah.
I know you are. We are in, what do you call this again?
Sanrio Puroland.
Alright, nice, look at that. There's a lot of people here in Sanrio Land. This is called Sanrio Land? Puroland. Alright, we're almost there, guys. Look at that, we're next. We're up next. Come on, go Bree, let's go. I think this is the biggest scam. It's not a scam, but you need to have skills, practice, and a lot of patience to get all of these things. Well, there's so much right here. All over Japan, this is a really big thing. That's perfect. Right there? Right there.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Oh no, I think this is a scam. No, that's so. That's great. Go get it. Yeah. Oh, no. Yes. That's my door. Alright, yeah. Oh, this one, my melody. Pompourine, cinnamon roll, and Hello Kitty. Alright, let's grab some more. If you get what, Mary's Tomato. Here we go. No pressure, no pressure. No pressure. Drag it. Oh, I think that's golden. I think that's money. Alright, let's go. That's money. That's money. You already got that! Oh yes! That's money! Yeah! Oh my god! I don't even know the name of the character. Who's that?
It's Hunger.
Huh?
Hunger.